continues to the date of 24th of January 2020 year. There was organized a meeting in the primary organization statistics of the region to clarify points of the next message of the nation's leader Dia Emomali Rahman to Majlisi Oli, the implementation of the guidelines and instructions of the message, the propaganda of the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan with participation of the leadership of Executive Committee of the party in Bokhtar town. The responsible persons in the conversation recalled the points of the message and party's pre-election program and noticed that with the contribution of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan who ensured macroeconomic stability and socio-economic development of the country during the implementation of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan program for 2015-2020, the gross domestic product increased by almost 2 times, cash income of the population increased by 1.9 times, and the average salary per employee increased by 1.9 times. As a result, poverty in the country decreased by 80% from 25 years to 2011 till 41% and by 2019 till 27.5%. To promote the pre-electoral program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan and candidates of party for the deputies of Majlisi Namoyandagan of Majlisi Oli of the Republic of Tajikistan and local councils of People's Deputies, the leadership of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Dangara district organized meetings with members of the primary organizations of the village Yakatut, Hussein Shaikh, Yabiyun, Dangara, Bolo. The responsible persons at the meeting made a presentation the points of the next message, in particular the development of villages, the announcement of 2019-2021 years of development of village tourism and folk crafts, reducing the level of poverty and labor migration, creating new industrial enterprises, educational institutions, health centers, compliance with the requirements of the law of the Republic of Tajikistan on the state language and learning foreign language as requirements of the new century. Responsible employees of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Dusti district met with members and supporters of the party of the primary organization union. During the meeting, the responsible person spoke on priority areas of party activity as well as addressing a number of issues which are important for the transparent conduct of the upcoming political campaign, elections of deputies of Majlisi Oli of the Republic of Tajikistan and local majlises of People's Deputies. It was emphasized that active participation in important political campaign is our civic task. Responsible persons of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Kushonyon district met with members of the primary organization Center for State Sanitary, Epidemiological, Tropical Surveillance and Disinfection Center. The meeting discussed issues related to the development of the economy, energy, education, health, youth, compliance with national laws and preparation for the upcoming elections. It was also noted that the government of the Republic of Tajikistan attaches paramount importance to improving access, quality and efficiency of medical services to the population as well as the development of new forms of first aid and sanitary care in the process of continuing the reform of the health sector. The instructions and orders of the leader of nation should strengthen the responsibility of health workers in the country in the interest of public health and improving the level of medical care. With participation of responsible persons of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Jaihoun district to promote the message of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, respected Emomali Rahman to Majlisi Oli, the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan for 2020-2025 years, a political reading was held in the primary organization road agency of the district. During the event, the responsible persons recalled the message of the leader of nation and noticed that only in the last 3 years, according to the plan of works on improvement and creation towards the cities anniversary of state independence, 1,450 kilometers of national local roads and 108 bridges were built and reconstructed in the towns and villages of the country at the expense of entrepreneurs, generous individuals and the population. Such works, which are evidence of the high activity of the people of the country in the name of the beautiful future of our beloved homeland, are currently being continued successfully. In honor of 30th anniversary of state independence, water pipes in Aberuni Avenue is being repaired with the support of the primary organization Road Agency. In connection with the explanation of the main points of the message of the nation's leader Dia Emomali Rahmon to Majlis Uli of the Republic of Tajikistan and the promotion of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan pre-electoral program and its candidates, was organized a meeting and conversation in the primary organization of the village Tulaganov of Nasir Khusraw district with participation of more than 300 party members, voters and election district number 4. Representatives of the party in their speech noticed that in his message the leader of nation noticed that every family is committed to the issues of construction, reconstruction, improvement, landscaping and improvement of housing, streets and mahallas. Then some residents came forward and said that within the framework of the year of more recognition of national interests, they are committed to improve their villages, mahallas and houses, and with it they strive as the basis of patriotism and devotion to the motherland. Representatives of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Norak Town held a meeting with members of the primary organization Puli Sangin to explain the next message of the leader of nation and the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan. Responsible persons noticed that before the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan, based in the main program goals of the party and as a framework document, it defines the responsibility of each party member to develop the economy and improve the social, political and cultural life of the country. The main task and the duty of every patriotic citizen of the country, especially a member of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan, is to put above all values the protection of the state and statehood, ensure security, maintain stability and peace of society. In order to promote the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan, a meeting of employees of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Temur Malik district was organized in the primary organization Mahalla number 4. During the meeting, the responsible persons expressed their views on the next message and the essence of the pre-election program and stated that over the past 7 years, the country's economy has been developed annually by an average of 7% and the gross domestic product has increased by 45.6 billion somoni to 78 billion somoni. During this period, the total budget revenue increased almost twice, reaching 23 billion somoni out of 12 billion somoni in 2013. Over these years, the population monthly profit has more than doubled and the average salary per employee has increased by 2 and 4 times. The balance of deposits in the country's banking system in 2019 amounted to more than 9.5 billion somoni, which has increased by 45% over the past 7 years. To implement the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in 2020-2025 years, reviews the main points of the message of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan. A meeting was held in the primary organization Zeboniso of Kuhdoman village of Vatan Rural Jamad of Farhol district. In conversation, representatives of the party spoke on the essence and the content of the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan for 2020-2025 and noticed that People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan has implemented this program, which is able to ensure sustainable development of the country at the stage of 2020-2025 and will create all conditions for progress and a decent life for the people. The leadership of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Abdurrahmani Jomi district organized a meeting with active women and girls. The meeting was attended and addressed by those responsible on the preparing for an important political campaign, the upcoming elections, and implementing the instructions and orders of the Leader of Nation published in the message. It was also told about the message of this year, the essence of the party's pre-election program, the implementation of the laws of the Republic of Tajikistan on the ordering of tradition, celebration, and rituals in the Republic of Tajikistan, on the responsibility of parents for the education and upbringing of children, on paying special attention to the education and upbringing of children. A meeting was conducted in the primary organization Dorobi of Dorobi village of Jombakht rural Jamaat of Kovalim district, where the members of advertising group from the campaign headquarters gave a detailed information on the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan, its candidates for deputies of Majlis Namundagon of Majlis Oli of the Republic of Tajikistan, and local majlises of people's deputies, and the message of the Leader of Nation, Dia Emomali Rahmon. Finally, the participants received a satisfactory answers to their questions. Employees of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Fakor district organized a meeting in the primary organization Mahalla number 2 of Fakor settlement on the eve of the year of more recognition of national interest of announcing 2020. First, at the meeting, they will exchange views on the contest and relevant points of the annual message of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Dia Emomali Rahmon, and then spoken about other important issues of society. There was also talk on the issues of improvement work in the area, especially to assist the paving of roads with stone between streets in the light of the party actions called We Decide Together and People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan brings together.